you like planes too, South Junction Road is great for you because the airport's right on the other side of those trees. We're here at CPC 163, aka South Junction Road, and it looks like D11's working the yard, and I believe 930 is right around the corner. It's kind of been a crazy day out here. The wind is just crazy today, but we should be able to get a train or two. A bit early for an April Fool's joke. 2 units, long hood forward. What's going on here? That was weird. Since D11 has to go to the mill, we decided to head up to Cliff Haven. As soon as we left the crossing, I heard 931 approaching on Bluff. So let's hope we catch this. Rolling meet here between D11 and 931. Hopefully D11 hurries up and gets down here.
Up to the mill, over. Shouldn't be too long. We just gotta go up, grab 2 cars, and bring them back, over. 20 minutes, you think? Half hour? Half hour, maybe 45, over. Okay, I got a little bit of work to do on this switch here. Maybe I'll ask him to get local here once you clear, and we'll be done within that amount of time, over. Okay, understood. Thank you.
Alright, so we're going to try to chase D11 up the bike path because they're going up to GP to grab the 2 cars. Then they'll be on its way back. I'm not sure if we'll stay around for that, but that was a neat little meet we caught back there at Cliff Haven. 931 and D11 moving on the siding. There they go. That's the end of our chase for today. Well, I think we somehow missed 252. We're gonna catch them down at South Junction. I don't know what's going on this morning, but hopefully we find out.
Ahead about 5.
Yeah, they're gonna pull ahead 5 cars. That might actually get enough shunt to trigger the crossing.
Standing portion, angle, caution's open, standing portion in emergency 252, over. And make it 4. One more. 1. Car.
I'm getting pretty wet, and so is my camera, so I think we're gonna retreat to the car while this guy switches. Oh, this wet snow is terrible. I can't keep the lens dry and it keeps refocusing. Ugh. Ever since the days of the D&H, the road freights have always had paper in boxcars. On the D&H, they ran solid trains of them, and now with PSR, CP just sticks them on their road freights 252 and 253. And we also got bulkhead flats with some wood products. Yeah, I'd say it's safe to say 252 is at least 80% wood traffic all the time. It's a little bit drier here in the car. We're still getting some snow on the lens. Ugh, it's a nasty day. We're starting to pick up a little bit of speed. It's good for all the cars sitting here because there's quite a line of them. There they go.